how to use a Shopify gift voucher. So if you want to go ahead and create and use a Shopify gift voucher, here's what you're going to be doing. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your store and go to discounts, and here you're going to click on create discount. Now, once you click on create discount, you're going to go over to product discount over here, and you can create a discount code with a proper voucher code over here. Okay, and that obviously creates a discount. So you're gonna add any random code, okay, like this one, and you're gonna add the percentage value, let's say flat 55% discount. Specific collections, you're gonna choose the collection that's on, and once you do all of that, you're gonna click on save discount. Now, that's one way to do it. The other way to do it is by using applications. So you can come to add apps, and you're gonna go over to Shopify App Store. And once we come to Shopify App Store here, what's going to be happening is we're going to get tons and tons of different applications that we can add to our store. So let's come over here and we're going to write voucher. And once you go ahead and write voucher for yourself, here are different voucher creators. So you can download these like discount, bulk count sales. You have gift and paid vouchers. So these are different things you can download and create vouchers and use them for your store. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.